it's Jason and Hannah. Today we'll be showing you this what's in the fridge storybook, and at the end of this we have a surprise. Let's show you what's in. Where's my favorite food, and it's in the freezer. And can you guys guess what this is? Guess what it is? And it is pizza. And here's the surprise. We have a fridge living monster. And bowl of spaghetti has a very long spaghetti. And it has pumpkin, oranges, chicken nugget. 呢度冇喎，呢個 chicken 嚟㗎，雞髀嚟㗎，唔係 chicken nugget 嚟㗎。